have 24 hours in a day, but sometimes that 24 hours is not enough. We want to bring in a lot of things within that 24 hours. We can't change the time, but we can definitely change our energy. And also everyone has the same 24 hours. But why is it that some of us can do a lot more within that same amount of time? It's because of better energy levels. Today we are going to see how we can improve our energy levels. So let's start. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Palms on the knees, facing the sky. Spine erect, shoulders relaxed, and a gentle smile on the face. Take a normal deep breath in and relax. और एक लंबी गहरी सांस अंदर और पूरी तरह से श्वास बाहर. Breathing in for Om. योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचां मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपाकरोतं प्रवरं मुनीनां पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिरानतोऽस्मि. Slowly and gradually, with a smile, you may open your eyes. Energy. Energy is something so important to us. It is something that helps us do different things. It gives us the drive. It gives us the ability to do different things. But what if our energy is low? We are feeling fatigued, tired, and extremely restless. How can we get our energy back? We will be covering restoring back your energy in this episode. Let's close our eyes and we will start with abdominal breathing. आंखें बंद कर लेंगे, रीढ़ की हड्डी सीधी रखेंगे, कंधे ढीले छोड़ देंगे. एक लंबी गहरी सांस अंदर और जैसे ही यू टेक अ डीप ब्रेथ इन, पेट को फुला दें. सांस छोड़ते छोड़ते पेट को पीछे ले जाएंगे रीढ़ की हड्डी के पास. ब्रीद इन एंड एक्सपैंड. ब्रीद आउट एंड कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. सांस भरते भरते पेट को पूरी तरह से फुला देना है, जैसे कि लाफिंग बुद्धा हो. Completely expand your stomach as you take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, slowly push your navel back to the spine. We will continue for few times. Breathe in and expand. Breathe out and contract. Push back. Now as you breathe in, expand your stomach, expand your chest, expand your entire thoracic region. And as you breathe out, contract your collarbone, your heart region, your rib cage, your diaphragm, your upper abdomen and lower abdomen. सांस लेते लेते पूरी तरह से नाभि को फुला देना है, छाती को फुला देना है, पूरी तरीके से ऊपरी भाग को फुला देना है और सांस छोड़ते छोड़ते धीरे धीरे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करते जाना है ऊपर से नीचे. कंटिन्यू फॉर फ्यू टाइम्स. With a smile. And as you complete a round, you may slowly relax. And gently open your eyes. Let's start with Marjariyasana. Let's come on our fours. Make sure that your palms are in line with the shoulders. Okay, they are not too far away and not too behind. Okay, they should be in line with your shoulders. Your spine is straight. Your hips are also at the same distance. They are neither too close or not too far away. Breathe in, look up, lift your tailbone, arch your back, and as you breathe out, chin to the chest. Breathe in, look up, and as you breathe out, chin to the chest. सांस भरेंगे, ऊपर देखेंगे. सांस छोड़ते छोड़ते तोड़ी को छाती के पास ले जाएंगे. Breathe in and breathe out. Continue. Slowly relax. You can do circles with your body. First clockwise. 3 से 5 बार कर सकते हैं. And then anti-clockwise, reverse. Now push your hips back. पीछे की ओर चलेंगे. एडियो पे बैठेंगे and push your hands forward. हाथों को आगे ले जाएंगे. उंगलियों को खोल देंगे and rest in child's pose. विश्राम करेंगे. Breathe here for few minutes. Relax. Stay there. Keep breathing. Slowly come back up. Now we will extend out our right hand straight. The left leg goes back. दाहिना हाथ आगे जाएगा, बायां पैर पीछे और फिर धीरे से बाएं पैर को ऊपर ले लेंगे. Make sure your hand and leg are aligned. Stay there, keep breathing. Stretch out nicely. Stretch your hand and leg. Balance and relax. दूसरी तरफ, बाईं तरफ, extend out your right leg. Take your left hand straight and lift your right leg up. Stay there. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. Focus on your breath. And relax. Again, we will come in Shishu Asana, child's pose. Push your hips back, hands forward, relax. We will breathe here. Every incoming breath is energizing and outgoing breath relaxing the body.
Slowly come on your fours again. Now tuck your toes in. Make sure your position is proper. Hip width distance between your hands and legs. Tuck your toes in and then raise your knees up. And push your chest towards the thigh and slowly place your feet on the mat and push. Make sure there is not too much distance between your legs and feet. Stay there, push, push, push. Inverted V. Breathing in and relax, slowly come down. Again, one more time. Stay there, keep breathing. Breathing out, relax. Breathe for a few minutes, few seconds here. One last time, tuck your toes in, lift your knees up. पहले एड़ियों पे, फिर पूरा पैर नीचे रखेंगे और छाती को जांघा के पास ले जाएंगे. Inverted V. और पैर को फिर सीधा करेंगे. Stay there. And relax. विश्राम करेंगे. Now take your legs behind. We will do the upward facing dog from the downward facing dog. Come up and extend out your back. Stay there. Keep breathing. Look up. Stay there. And relax. विश्राम करेंगे. One more time. Your knees are not resting on the floor. The knees are up. Look up. Stay there. और विश्राम. One last time, take your legs back. Come on your knees and toes. Relax. Keep breathing. और विश्राम करेंगे. Relax. Again, we will come in Shishupasana. Extend your hands out. Slowly, we will do the puppy pose. Push your chest also on the mat. Stay there, keep breathing. Feel a beautiful stretch in your back. All your muscles are relaxing. Slowly come back on your fours. Now take your right leg forward and extend out your left leg in such a way that your knee and ankle is in one straight line. Stay there. Keep breathing. Look up. And smile. Slowly go back. We will do it on the left side. Stay there, keep breathing and smiling. Feel a beautiful stretch in your hips and relax. Now slowly raise your right hand up, look up and take your hand across your left hand and lie down. Rest here for few minutes. Slowly take your hand up again and relax. We will do it on the other side. Hand goes up and slowly take it below your right hand and relax. Vishram karenge. And take your hand back up and relax. Now take your right leg forward and cross it. and extend out your left leg. Slowly take your right hand forward. Push your hands forward. Try to keep your body balanced. It should not be tilting towards your right or left. Keep it at the center and relax. Keep breathing for a few minutes here. And slowly come back up and relax. Let's do it on the other side. Slowly come back up and relax. Let's sit down and we will do Nadi Shodhan Pranayam. जो बायां हाथ है वो चिन मुद्रा में होगा. The left hand will be in chin mudra. This is chin mudra. Gently place it on your left knee. बाएं घुटने पे रखेंगे. बहुत ज़्यादा आगे नहीं या पीछे नहीं. Just place it on your knee. And the right hand is in Nasigra mudra. Keep your spine straight. The index finger and middle finger is between your eyebrows. Thumb is on the right nostril. Little finger and ring finger is on the left nostril. मध्यमा और तर्जनी दोनों भुवों के बीच में. अंगूठा दाहिनी नासिका पे. छोटी उंगली और अनामिका बाईं नासिका पे. एक लंबी गहरी सांस अंदर और पूरी तरह से श्वास बाहर. One more normal deep breath in and breathe out from the left nostril. Gently tap the thumb so that you close the right nostril and breathe out left. Now breathe in left and breathe out right. Breathe in right. Breathe out left. We will continue with the alternate nostril breathing. बाईं नासिका से सांस छोड़ेंगे. बाईं नासिका से सांस लेते हुए दाहिनी नासिका से सांस छोड़ेंगे. दाहिनी नासिका से सांस लेते हुए बाईं नासिका से सांस छोड़ेंगे. कंटिन्यू. लंबी गहरी सांसें जैसे कि ये खूबसूरत से गुलाब के फूल का सुगंध ले रही हैं. Long, deep, gentle breaths as if you're smelling a beautiful rose. Continue. Breathing out from the left nostril. Relax your hand, relax your palms. बाईं नासिका से सांस छोड़ते छोड़ते दोनों हाथों को विश्राम दे देंगे. And we will meditate now for few minutes.